Good morning, grade 1. Let's complete our revision. Our lesson today is ordering numbers, okay? You can order numbers in two ways. Let's say it together. The first way, we can order number from greatest to least. Okay? Greatest means the biggest number, okay? And least means the smallest number, okay? Or we can say descending order. Or descending order means from greatest to least. Okay? And the second way, we can order numbers from least to greatest. Or we can say ascending order. Okay? So ascending order means that we should order numbers from the least number to the greatest number. Okay? And we said that least means the smallest number and greatest means the biggest number. So we have two ways to order number: descending order and ascending order. Okay? So now we will talk about descending order. And we said that descending orders means we order number from greatest to least. And greatest means the biggest number and least means the smallest number. Okay? We start from the biggest number to the smallest number. Okay? We start from the biggest number to the smallest number. If we forget what the meaning of descending order, we can remember it by dinosaur. Okay? We can remember descending order by dinosaur, because dinosaur starts from letter D and descending order starts from letter D, and because dinosaur is very, very, very big, so we should start from the biggest number. Okay? So descending order, we can remember it by dinosaur. Okay? So when we see the dinosaur is very big, so we should start from the biggest number. Okay, let's see an examples. Example letter A. I have 1, 5, 3, and 6. Okay, I want to order numbers from greatest to least. Okay, from greatest to least. So I should look to the biggest number to the smallest number. Okay, where is the biggest number here? Yes, it's 6. Okay, the biggest number is 6. So I cross this and the first number will be 6. Okay, now I have 1, 5, and 3. Which one is the biggest? Yes, it's 5. So cross 5 and put 5. Okay, now I have 1 and 3. Which one is the biggest? Yes, 3 is the biggest. So I cross 3 and put 3. And the smallest number is 1. So smallest number is 1. Okay. Let's see another example. Example letter B. I have 33, 36, 31, and 38. Okay, and that's it. That example, we have two-digit number. Okay, so here we have steps to order numbers. Okay, to order two-digit numbers, we have some steps. Okay. At first, we should look to 10th digit. If they are the same, you should look to 1st digit. Okay, so we should look to tenth digit at first. If they are the same, you should look to ones digit. Okay, at first I should put homes, okay, at the number. So I put homes, ones and tens, ones and tens, ones and tens. Okay, and we said that we should look at first to tenth digit. Where is tenth digit? Yes, at tenth home. That's the tenth digit. Okay, the tenth digit at the tenth home. Okay, let's look to tenth digit. Okay, tenth digit, and that's tenth digit, tenth digit. Okay, so we find that all the tenth digit are the same. So we should look to ones digit. We should look to ones digit because we find that all tenth digit are the same. Okay, 3, 3, 3, 3. Okay, so we should look to ones digit. Okay, ones digit. Okay, let's put line under the ones digit. Okay, let's look to ones digit. Okay, where is the biggest number in ones digit? 8, 1, 6, 3. Which one is the biggest? Yes, 38. Okay, because 8 in ones digit is the biggest number. Okay, so cross 38 and put 38. Okay, now I have 33, 36 and 31. And I look to ones digit. Which one is the biggest? Yes, 36. Okay, 36 because 6 in ones digit is the biggest one. Okay, so I cross 36 and put 36. Okay, now I have 33 and 31. I have 33 and 31. Okay, which one is the biggest? Here I have 3 in ones digit and here 1 in ones digit. Which one is the biggest? Yes, 33. So I cross 33 and put 33 here. Okay, so the smallest number is 31. I cross 31 and put here 31. Okay, so when we have two digit numbers, we have some steps. And the first we should put the homes, okay? And we should look to tenth digit, okay? If they are the same, we should look to what? Ones digit, okay? Let's see another example. Example letter C. I have 11, 41, 25 and 31. Okay, that's two digit numbers. Okay, so I have some steps to do. At first we should look to tenth digit. We should look to what? Tenth digit. If tenth digits different from each other, we should look to what? Tenth digits only. Okay? So again, first we should look to tenth digit. Okay, where's tenth digit? At tenth home. Let's put the homes at first. Ones tenth, ones tenth, ones home and tenth home, ones home and tenth home. Okay, let's look to tenth digit, and we said that tenth digit is the number in tenth home. Okay, the number in tenth home. Okay, let's look to tenth digit. Yes, we find that tenth digit different from each other. Okay, here in tenth digit we have 1, and here 4, 2, 3. So we will look to tenth digit only. Okay, we will not look to ones digit. Okay, when the numbers in tenth digit are different, we look to tenth digit. Okay. Don't look to ones digit. Okay, so Let's go. Here I have 11, and here 41, and here 25, and here 31. Okay, let's look to tens digit. Which one is the biggest number in tens digit? Yes, 4 is the biggest number in tens digit. So the first number, I cross 41 and put 41 here. Okay. Now I have 11, 25, and 31. Okay. I should look to tens digit. Okay. Here's 3, 2, 1. Which one is the biggest? Yes, 31. Okay. So I cross 31 and put here 31. Okay. Now I have 11 and 25. Which one is the biggest? I look to tens digit. Okay, I look to tens digit. So, yes, the biggest number is 25. So I cross 25 and put here 25. Okay, and the smallest number is 11. I cross 11 and put 11 here. Okay. So here we know how to order number from greatest to least. Okay. Now we will talk about ascending order. Okay. Ascending order, and we said that ascending orders mean that we start from the least number to the greatest number. Okay, ascending order means from least to greatest. From least to greatest. Okay. So here I start from the smallest number to the biggest number. Okay. I start from the smallest number to the biggest number. Okay. And if we forget the meaning of ascending order, we can remember and. We can remember and, because and start from the letter A, and here ascending start from letter A. And because and is very, very, very small, so we will start from the smallest number to the greatest number. Okay. So when we forget the meaning of ascending order, we can remember it by the and. By and. Okay? We can remember it by and. Okay, let's see an examples. Example letter A. I have 1, 5, 3, and 6. Okay. So we should look to the smallest number. The smallest number. Where is the smallest number here? Okay. The smallest number is 1. So I cross 1 and put 1 at the first, because we want to order number from least to greatest. And we said that least means the smallest number and the greatest means the biggest number. Okay. So here I have 5, 3, 6. Which one is the smallest number? Yes, 3 is the smallest number. So I cross 3 and put 3 here. Okay, now I have 5 and 6. Which one is the smallest? Yes, 5 is the smallest number. So I cross 5 and put 5 here. Okay, and the biggest number is 6. I cross 6 and put here 6. Okay, let's see another example. Example letter B. I have 33, 36, 31, and 38. Okay, that's 2-digit numbers. Okay, and we have 2-digit numbers. We have some steps. Okay, we said that we should look to tens digit. At first, we should look to what? Tens digit. If they are the same, you should look to what? Ones digit. At first, we should look to tens digit. If they are the same, you should look to ones digit. And we said that tens digit means the number in tens home. Okay, let's put the homes. 8 in ones and 3 in tens. 1 in ones and 3 in tens home. 6 in ones home and 3 in tens home. 3 in ones home and 3 in tens home. Okay, so now we should look to what? Tens digit. Okay, let's look to tens digit. That's tens digit, tens digit, tens digit, tens digit. So we find that they are the same. The tens digit, the same. Okay, so we should look to what? Yes, we should look to ones digit. Okay, let's put line under ones digit. 3 and 6 is in ones digit. 1 is in ones digit. 8 in ones digit. Ones digit means the number in ones home. Okay, ones digits means the numbers in one's home. Okay, so now we can order numbers. Okay, when we look to ones digit, okay, I want to order number from least to greatest. That means from the smallest to the greatest. Okay, let's look together. Where is the smallest number in one's home? Yes, it's 31. Okay, because 1 is the smallest number in one's home. Okay, I cross 31 and put here 31. Okay, now I have 33, 36, and 38. Which number is the smallest in one's home? Yes, 33, because 3 in one's home is the smallest. Okay, so I'll cross 33 and put here 33. Now I have 36 and 38. 36 and 38. Okay, which one is the smallest? We look to ones digit. We look to ones digit. Which one is the smallest? Yes, 36 is the smallest. So cross 36 and put here 36. And the biggest number is 38. I cross 38 and put here 38. Let's see another example. Example letter C. I have 11, 41, 25, and 31. 11, 41, 25, and 31. Okay? And we said that when we have two-digit numbers, we have some steps. At first, we should look to tens digit. We should look to tens digit. If tens digit different from each other, we should look to tens digit only. Okay? Don't look to ones digit. If tens digit different from each other, look to tens digit only. Okay? Don't look to ones digit. Okay? Let's put the homes together. 1 in one's home, 3 in tens home, 5 in one's home, and 2 in tens home, 1 in one's home, and 4 in tens home, 1 in one's home, and 1 in tens home. Okay, let's look to tens digit. Okay, tens digit. And we said that tens digit means the number on tens home. Okay, the number on tens home. 3 here in tens home, and 2 in tens home, 4 in tens home, and 1 in tens home. So we find that they are different. Okay, they are different. Okay, so now we will look to tens digit only. Okay, which one is the smallest number in tens digit, in tens home? Yes, 11. So I cross 11 and put 11 here. Okay, now I have 41, 25, and 31, and we look to tens digit. Okay, which one is the smallest? Yes, 25. So I cross 25 and put here 25. Okay, now I have 41 and 31, and we look to tens digit. Okay, tens digit. Okay, here 4 in tens and here 3 in tens. Which one is the smallest? Yes, 31. So I cross 31 and put here 31. Okay, and the base number is 41. So I cross 41 and put here 41. Okay, so that's how to order number from least to greatest or ascending order. Okay, now we have some examples. Write the numbers in order from the greatest to the least. From the greatest to the least. And we said from the greatest to the least, that's mean descending order. So we can say from the greatest to the least or order or descending order. Okay, let's see the first example. I have 88 and 8, 80 and 81. Okay, at first we should put the homes. Okay, 1 in one's home, 8 in tens home, 0 in one's home, 8 in tens home. Here I have 8, so 8 in one's home, 88, 8 in one's home, and 8 in tens home. Okay, so now at first we should look to what? Tens digit. We should look to tens digit. Okay, tens digit. If they are the same, we should look to what? Ones digit. Okay, and here we see that in tens place they are the same. Here I have 8 in tens place, here tens in 8 in tens place, and here 8 in tens place. Okay, so now I should look to ones digit. Okay, let's put line under ones digit. Okay, and here 8 in ones. Okay, so now let's order from greatest to least. Okay, and we look to ones digit. Okay, which number is the biggest number in ones place or in ones digit? Here is 8 and here is 8, but here it's 88 and here is 8. Okay, so the biggest number is 88. Okay, I cross 88 and put 88 here. Now I have 8 and 80 and 81. Okay, which one is the biggest number? Yes, 81. So I cross 81 and put here 81. Okay, now I have 8 and 80. Okay, which one is the biggest? Yes, 80. So I cross 80 and put here 80. And the smallest number is 8. Okay, so I cross 8 and put here 8. Let's see another example. Here I have 56, 65, 46, and 64. Okay, 56, 65, 46, and 64. Okay, we should put the homes. I put homes. And at first we should look to what? Yes, to tens digit. Okay, let's look to tens digit. Here's 5, here's 6, here's 4, here's 6. They are different. Okay, they are different. So I look to tens digit only. Okay. Okay. Here I have 5 in tens place, and here 4 in tens place, and here I have 6 in tens place, and here 6 in tens place. So here they are the same in tens place. So I look to ones digit. Okay. When tens digits are the same, I look to ones digit. Okay. So I want order numbers from greatest to least. Okay, so which one is the biggest number? Okay, I have here 65 and 64. Okay, here's 6 in tens place and here is 6 in tens place, so I look to ones digit. Okay, so which one is the biggest, 65 or 64? Yes, 65. Okay, because the biggest number here 5 in ones digit and here 4 in ones digit, so the biggest number is 65. So I cross 65 and put here 65. Okay, now I have 56, 46 and 64. Okay, so the biggest number here is 64, so I cross 64 and put 64 here. Okay, now I have 56 and 46. Okay, tens place or tens digit are different. Here's 5 and here's 4. So I look to tens digit only. Okay, I don't look to ones digit. Okay, so which one is the biggest, 56 or 46? Yes, 56, so I cross 56 and put here 56. Okay, and the smallest number is 46. I cross 46 and put here 46. Okay, let's see another example. Okay, we said that at first we should put the homes. Okay, 2 in ones, 7 in tens, 6 in ones and 6 in tens, 8 in ones and 4 in tens, 5 in ones and 2 in tens. Okay, at first we should look to what? Yes, to tens digit. Okay, let's look to tens digit. Here's 2, and here's 4, and here's 6, and here's 7. So they are different from each other. Okay, so I should look to what? Yes, tens digit only. Okay, look to tens digit only, don't look to ones digit. Okay, because tens digit are different from each other. Okay, let's put line under tens digit, and line under tens digit. Okay, now which one is the biggest number? Here I have 7 in tens place, here 6 in tens place, 4 in tens place, 2 in tens place. Which one is the biggest? Yes, 72 is the biggest number, so I'll cross 72 and put here 72. Okay, now I have 25, 48 and 66. Which one is the biggest? Look to tens place or tens digit. So yes, the biggest number is 66. So I cross 66 and put here 66. Okay, now I have 25 and 48. We look to tens digit. Okay, which one is the biggest? Yes, 48 is the biggest number. So I cross 48 and put here 48. And the smallest number is 25. So I cross 25 and put 25 here. Okay, let's complete our examples. Okay. Write the numbers in order from the least to the greatest. Write the number in order from the least to the greatest. That's mean I order numbers from the smallest number to the greatest number. Or we can say ascending order. Okay? Here I have 43, 40, 45, and 4. Okay? We should put the homes. Okay. So now, at first, we should look to what? Yes, we should look to tens digit, and tens digit means the number in tens home. Okay. Look to tens digit is 4, 4, 4. Okay, so they are the same. So I should look to what? Yes, we should look to ones digit. Okay, we should look to ones digit. Okay, which one is the smallest number? Here I have 43, 40, and 45. Here 4. Yes, the smallest number or the least number is 4. So I cross 4 and put 4 here. Now I have 43, 40, and 45. Okay, we look to ones digit. Which one is the smallest? Yes, 40 is the smallest. So I cross 40 and put 40 here. Okay, now I have 43 and 45. Which one is the smallest? Here I have 3 in ones digit and here 5 in ones digit. And so, which number is the smallest? Yes, 43. So I cross 43 and put 43 here. Okay, and the biggest number is 45. So I cross 45 and put 45 here. Let's see another example. Here I have 62, 42, 34, and 47. Okay. 62, 42, 34, and 47. Okay, at first with homes. Okay, now we should look to tens digit. Okay, we should look to tens digit. Okay, here I have 6 in tens digit. Here I have 4 in tens digit and here I have 4 in tens digit. So they are the same, 42 and 47, because 4 here in tens digit and 4 here in tens home. Okay, so when tens digit are the same, we look to ones digit. We look to ones digit. So I put line under the ones digit. Okay, and here 3 in tens home. Here 7 in ones digit. Okay, here because I have 42 and 47, so I have 4 tens digit and 4 in tens digit. I look to ones digit. Okay, but here tens digits are different. Okay, so I look to tens digit only. Okay, let's see together. Where is the smallest number? Where is the smallest number? Okay. Yes, the smallest number is 34. So I cross 34 and put here 34. Okay, now I have 62, 42, and 47. Okay, so we should look to 42 and 47. Okay, which one is the smallest? We look to ones digit. Which one is the smallest? Yes, 42 is the smallest. So I cross 42 and put here 42. Okay, and now I have 62 and 47. So the smallest number is 47. I cross 47 and put 47 here. Okay, so the base number is 62. Cross 62 and put 62. Let's see another example. Here I have 21, 12, 57 and 91. Okay, and we want to order numbers from the least to the greatest. Okay, first put the homes. We said that we should look at first to tens digit. Okay, we should look to tens digit. We find that tens digit are different from each other. Okay, tens digit are different in each other. Okay, from each other. So we should look to what? Tens digit only. When tens digit are different, we should look to tens digit only. Don't look to ones digit. Okay, so I'll put line under tens digit numbers. Okay, now we should look to where is the smallest number. Where is the smallest number? Okay, and we look to tens digit. Yes, the smallest number is 12, so I cross 12 and put 12 here. Okay, now I have 21, 57 and 91. Which one is the smallest? Yes, 21 is the smallest, so I cross 21 and put here 21. Now I have 47 and 91. Which one is the smallest? Here is 5 in tens digit and here 9 tens digit. So the smallest number is 57. So I cross 57 and put here 57. Okay, and the base number is 91. So I cross 91 and put 91 here. Okay. Goodbye, grade 1.